Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem Home Depot gift card from Verizon. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem a Home Depot gift card from Verizon, what you need to do first is get your Home Depot gift card from Verizon. After your Verizon promotion qualifies, example home internet sign up, you receive instructions from Verizon to claim a Home Depot gift card, often via email or a link. Once claimed, you should get a gift card code or e-gift card code from Home Depot. The next thing what you need to do is go to the Home Depot website in your app or in your website. Simply open up your app, and then once inside, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is, if shopping online, simply add the items to your cart and proceed to checkout. To do is simply browse through the items on the Home Depot, then select the item, then you'll find an option that says add to cart. Once you have added the selected items to the cart, simply tap on the cart icon on the bottom right corner of your screen and you will be sent to the cart section. Inside cart, you will find an option that says checkout. Simply select that, and now here at checkout on the payment options, choose apply a gift card. Then simply enter the gift card number and PIN. For digital or e-gift card, the email or link from the Home Depot will include a gift card number and a PIN or security lock. Enter them exactly where prompted and then simply click on apply. Now, if your total exceeds the gift card balance, you can pay the rest with another payment method if using in-store. So the gift card on phone or printed to cashier, and they will scan or manually enter the code, and you'll be able to use the Home Depot gift card. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.